हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मिस्टिक म्यूटू में तुम्हारा स्वागत है। तो आज हम लोग अपनी एक अलग पोकेमॉन अनबाउंड स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। तो लेट्स बिगिन। और हाँ, आगे बढ़ने से पहले प्लीज़ चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लो, वीडियो को लाइक कर दो एंड या आगे बढ़ते हैं। और would you like to skip? No. No. Okay. Long ago, in the Boreal region was the engulfed by the Great War with the Kalos region. It was a brutal war, once which the last many years. During the time, Carlos managed to seize the upper hand. Okay. On the on the brink of defeat, the Boreal king summoned a dark force to help turn tiles of battle. Okay. The Carlossian army advantage was the lost almost immediately. As soon it entered the battlefield, the Dark Force used its power to create the portal and transport the invading army back to Kalos. Okay, with the foreign army gone, the war seems to end for Warrior. However, their king, overcome by for power, sent the warrior army through the portal as well. The war continued for the rage in Carlos for several years. Many more men and Pokemon were conspired to fight in inevitably meet their end on the battlefield. One such Pokemon have a dear friend of Carlosian king. Overcome with grief, the king built the device to restore its life, granting himself immortality in the process. But oh shit, yeah. Unable to foreign the battle, the heart his precious Pokemon, he turned his machine into a giant weapon, the ultimate weapon. The king became a bringer of the destruction that ended the war. Wow, बहुत अच्छा है, nice art. With the war over, what little remained of the warrior army returned home. The king Pokemon left him, and the battlefield became silent. Okay, yet the peace was still to come. Engaged over the fruitless war fought, several of the war wished for ample conspirations for the warrior king. When he had nothing to offer them, they began to manipulate the dark force to attack Warrior Kingdom. In the attempt coup. In effect, to stop the madness, the Warrior King gathered the legendary Pokemon. Okay, Articuno, Zapdos, Moltres. Using the power three birds combined with plates of Arceus, the Pokemon shaped a universe. A prison was created for the Dark Force, sealing its power. It be- its shadow became a shadow of its force itself. Stripped of this power it has taken by the king, surprised by his prophecy until one fateful day, 16 years later, 16 years ago, sorry, Arceus. Oh my god. I fear my time almost up. This Pokemon. If if this next experience gone south, it will fall right into his hand. I told him using its power, is dangerous. But without my guidance, I worried he will silent on its. It's an alternate method for achieving his goal. And what I need to do is this. It's gone. Now it's time for you to go to Arceus. There is no point in you sticking around any longer. Just promise me one thing. Please watch over my child. Elsewhere. Ah, how how I was fulfilled Grandpa wish if I can't even catch a single Pokemon. I promised him I will finish it, but at this point, I do not see now that will even be possible. Please, Akis, if you are real, give me a sign that everything will work out. ओह ये पोकेमोन एक सेकंड ये हुप्पा वाला तो नहीं है मतलब वो जो जिसमें मतलब वो फेंकता है उसके पास तो हुप्पा ही होता है ना भाई ये मतलब ए पोकेबॉल हियर नाउ आकेश इज रियल आफ्टर ऑल ओ माय गॉड सही में इसमें तो हुप्पा निकला दिस पोकेमोन हुप्पा हु it appears grandpa that there many be away after all. This it's time for eternal flower to bloom once more. Okay. Oh my god. Nice. Okay. Choose your character. नहीं भाई हम तो आदमी लेंगे भाई स्किन टोन अरे नहीं नहीं रुक रुक मेरे को चेंज करना है कैरेक्टर तो यही रहेगा स्किन टोन ओके ये सही है बहुत बेकार है ये क्या भाई एक काम करते हैं या ये सही रहेगा आउटफिट ब्लैक काम करते हैं या ये सही रहेगा लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट व्हाट्स योर नेम माय किंग किंग या वेनिलियन अगर गेम खेलना है मतलब ऐसे ही डालना है तो उसके लिए वेनिलियन ठीक होना एक्सपर्ट सीन बाप रे डिफ़िकल्ट ये सब करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है हम लोग कोई प्रो नहीं है भैया नहीं हमें कोई शर्म नहीं कहने में प्रो नहीं है भैया मतलब जस्ट नहीं तो वरना हमें कुछ रेयर कैंडीज़ की जरूरत पड़ जाएगी वरना जो हमें करना नहीं चाहिए अगर अकेले खेलो तो खेलो यार जो यूज़ करना है बट अगर तुम कहीं डाल रहे हो शेयर करो अपनी चीज़ यूट्यूब पे या तो तुम्हें नहीं करना चाहिए यू रेड कैंडीज़ या जब तक मतलब बहुत ज़रूरत ना हो तब तक मतलब अवॉइड ही करना चाहिए द गेम डिफ़िकल्टी हैज़ बीन टू वेनिलियन हाँ हाँ भाई सबसे ईजी दिस मे बी चेंज टू एन ईजियर सेटिंग इरेज सेटिंग एट द पॉइंट यूजिंग द मेन्यू ऑप्शन ओके Would you like to play the darker version of the story? The normal version. This version much glitter than the normal version. Yeah. If the हम dark version ही खेलेंगे. We are dark people. Just joking. If violence and the edge are not what you are looking for, the highly recommend to play the lighter version of the story. Are you sure to play with the dark version? Yes. This option may be not changed during gameplay. कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Oh. Ooh. ऊपर. ओ भाई ये क्या हो रहा है भाई? ओए. What the two in one day? Quick scientist, what are you standing around for? Grab him. Now knock him out and lock up in the warehouse. Zep is going to freak out when he hear about this. ये कौन था? अरे अरे ऊपर क्या कर रहा है इधर? ये unconscious ऊपर. Stop. What did I tell you about traveling through my cube space? Just because you cannot travel through your ring anymore, that doesn't not give you right to use the my cube without permission. And where you the one responsible for bringing these up to? I do not know what you want with them, but you have been in Gnosis even since I found you on the beach 16 years. Oh, तो मतलब यार ये जब मैंने पहली बार खेला था, जब फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने खेला तो ये नहीं पार्ट थी, ये पार्ट नहीं था. लग रहा थोड़ा सा ना वर्जन जब आया तो थोड़ा सा स्टोरी में भी डिफरेंस है. हाँ अच्छा है, चलो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस रहेगा जब पिछली बार खेला था तो. इवन आई फाउंड, मतलब ये जो वो बंदा नहीं था सामने बीच पे जिसको हुक्का मिला था, मतलब बोल रहा था कि आके अगर तुम हो तो साइन दो, मतलब ये वही है अपने ग्रैंडफादर के लिए जो ढूंढ रहा था. तो I may be not, I may be not your true guardian, but I am your trainer now, and you will be obey me. These two would not rescue you from me. What a pain. Oh, start again. So ठीक है भाई, सेव कर देते हैं. चलो भाई. पोशन. नाइस नाइस बॉयज. देख ले भाई. 7 दो पोशन में गए. He's unconscious, better leave him alone. Okay. There is someone Pokemon locked in cage. Okay. नीचे जाना. हाँ यही होगा जैसे पिछली बार भी था. Where are you? Where do you think you're going, kid? I'm under strict order to keep you locked. Okay. Season. What this? There is something written on his shirt. It his name? It is. इसका नाम रखेंगे, बहुत उछला कूदा करेगा ये तो इसका नाम रखते हैं हम लोग रॉकी। या वाई 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 कहाँ गया? या रॉकी। It is his name. Yes. Oh, what going on? Where I am? What going on? Oh wait, you are the kid from the down road. King, right? Do you know where we do? What do you know? So you must be in the same situation as I am. Have you have you seen any sort of exit around? Okay, there is one, but there is blocked by banners in black. Okay, take me there. Hey, do you think you are okay? Do you think you can get away with keep blocking? You better leave us through right now. You are going to suffer. Back off, kid. I'm under strict order to keep you locked up. So, scram, use you want to suffer. Smart choice. Keep away from this door and you won't reject it. It doesn't look like he's going moving. Won't be better. हाँ भाई इधर से चलते हैं. चलो 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 चलो. Do you hear that, King? It sounds like some Pokemon are trapped in the cage there. Let's go check out. Progress से करते हैं. Gibbon, Larvitar, and Blayton. Looks like these Pokemon are the great fun and the most want to join us. If we each take one, report to them. Okay. Larvitar, Steel type Blayton. I will go with this. Yeah. या निकनेम क्या दे. अगर तुम्हें कोई निकनेम पता हो तो यार प्लीज़ बताना. अभी तो फ़िलहाल नहीं रखते. या जैक रखें? नहीं, चलो जैक किसी और के लिए रखेंगे. वैसे नाम अच्छा है मन में. किसी और के लिए नहीं अभी. Disappear the blading left. Now that we have our own Pokemon, let's head to the. चलो देख एक बार जरा देख लेते हैं तो साइड के हार्डी. ओके फायर फैंक्स. चलो अच्छा है. ठीक है. Oh, I told you before, I'm under strict orders to keep you locked up. Hey, you don't really have a choice. Now, you are going to left out or face inward. Keep following yourself, not a thing. King, let's team up and show. Yes. नहीं भैया मैं बस नहीं उनका ये क्या होते थे. Show them why don't you mess with. क्या बोल रहे थे? अच्छा मतलब उसका नाम ले रहे थे. मैं ये क्या बोल रहे हैं. इससे करता हूँ. फायर फाइन करते हैं भाई। यस, ये तो गया एज ए बग टाइप। और इसको भी फायर फाइन करते हैं भाई। अब यहाँ तो मेरे को याद है पिछली बार, मतलब एक बार वर्जन से थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है। मेरे को याद है, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मतलब ऐसे टाइम पे डबल बैटल नहीं होती है, अकेले हम ही कर लेती थी। अरे अच्छा है। गिबन वाउटर। आई न्यू इट वॉज द बैड आइडिया टू लॉक अप देम हियर। अभी तो बड़ी हाकी मार रहा था। नो नो माय पोकेमॉन, नॉट बैड किंग, you and I make a pretty good team, but I will take it from here. Let use his potion on your Lavita. You bite. All right. I give up. I will let you go through. Please have mercy on me. Don't hurt anyone anymore, please. Lavita, return. I'm getting out of here now, King. I'm sure you are capable of taking care of yourself here on out. If you run out any trap, just use your Pokemon. Oh, one more thing. As soon you get home, we will go into battle. You impressed me when we battling together. So I want to see how I will fare against you. Until then, don't try yourself out so much. चलो भाई, वीडियो भी बड़ा हो गया। चलो भाई, बस जल्दी से निकलने की कोशिश करते हैं। ओह, बैटल नहीं करना। चलो ठीक है भाई। गाड़े, आई एम रियली सॉरी सर, बट those people those people you asked me to guard found some caution and escape. Fool! How could you let them escape? They saw what we were doing in the lab. If they realize what we doing and tell anyone, the international police send the whole the ethics commit after us. That could ruin our entire operation. And you think a simple apology will make us everything better? No, sir, I don't. But I was just a small mistake. I promise it won't never happen again. Marlon. Okay, मतलब इसका नाम मेन कई बॉस का नाम मार्लन. Okay, I need you to send some upturn weekly. Okay, Pokemon say. Make sure they also distinctly obtain a special pack that is arriving today. It critically it's critical for our operation to capture specific UNO specimen UNO. Okay, right away. God. Yes sir. Yes sir. Anything else? Once that guard has obtained its package, take it. Used to capture specimen UNO. Okay. On it. Specimen UNO क्या भाई? As for you, I'm going to make an example out of you. It's time you to pay your blunder. No, please. I'm really sorry. I I will do anything to fix this. Houndwood, insage this piece of trash. Oh my god. Now someone talk his ash to the lab. Let at least make something useful of failure. Door has been shut behind you. तो अभी मैं ना एक्सटर्नली ऑडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ, अभी ना वीडियो आगे बहुत लंबी हो गई है, तो अभी हम लोग अभी बस यहीं ख़त्म करते हैं। इसका आगे का भी 5-10 मिनट का क्लिप है, वो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आएगा। ठीक है,
चलो
तब तक तो लाइक कर देना, शेयर कर देना, सब्सक्राइब कर देना
खत्म
एंड
करते हैं।
टेक।